Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record an asset or add an asset to your asset register from actual supplier invoice or bill on QuickBooks accounting software. So we need to go to purchases and record this supplier invoice. So let's create a bill. Select the supplier, in my case it's local shop. Date was 1st of August. Due date is 31st. Reference is local shop invoice number. Description, I have furniture, and in this case I have table. And now I can select account. So in this case I need to go to assets, non-current assets section, and here I will select fixtures and fittings. Quantity was 1 for price of 200. I can add more details and I will click save. Now system already says that it's most likely it will be an asset. So click on generate pending asset from here, or you can click on generate pending asset here. Now we've been brought into tools section under fixed assets. Currently I have 2 assets already, and the one which is pending is here. So now I can edit and update information for this asset. So there is asset name, number, cost, purchase, place where it needs to be recorded, and also there is supplier invoice. Now we need to select depreciation. In my case, for this table I will use straight line method, but you can select reducing balance or do not depreciate if you wish to. Depreciation rate in percentages most likely will apply for reducing balance. For straight line method I have economic life in years, and I have 2 years as an economic life for my table. Depreciation account, this means where in profit and loss statement this will go, and in this case it is fixtures and fittings depreciation. There is no accumulated depreciation, and accumulated depreciation account on balance sheet will be under the same similar description. Depreciation start date is 1st of August, that's when I purchased this asset, and click approve. So now this asset has been updated. So when I go to my fixed assets, and my fittings and fixtures balance from 850 have increased to 1050. So this is the way how you can actually add your assets to asset register once you record a bill or supplier invoice on QuickBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.